Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So sin2x, that is about 2 sin x cosine x. Next, we put the negative in here and here. Next, I need to put about number 1. Then we need to put back negative number 1. Next, we have the formula in here. So we need to transform number 1 into this one. Next, we have the second one. Next, this one that is about identities. So we have sin x minus cosine x, everything to the power of 2. So this one divided by this one. So we have sin x minus cosine x. Next, the negative will change the sign of this one. Next, the integration of negative sign, that is about cosine x. This one that is about sin x. Next, we need to focus on this one. So I need to multiply by the square root of number 2 over number 2 on numerator and denominator. This one that is about cosine of b over number 4. This one that is about sine of b over number 4. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. This one that is about cosecant of x minus b over number 4. And now we have the final answer. So we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.